Hello YouTube friends, I am Cindy and you are watching Sincerely Cindy Settle. It is election day. I hope everyone got out and rocked their right to vote. So today we have a Wantable unboxing today. So Wantable is a subscription box. You pay a $20 styling fee and they send you 7 items of clothing. Keep what you want, send back what you don't. Your $20 styling fee goes towards anything that you wish to keep in your box. So I just did a Wantable unboxing just a couple of weeks ago, but they got me at Cozy Edit. So my subscription is to only get a box every 3 months, but then they were doing this promotion for a Cozy Edit, and that sounded like it was right up my alley. So I have a new box with a Cozy Edit. So I'm hoping that this will have some comfy, maybe joggers, sweaters, sweatshirts, some cozy type stuff that will fit nice and cozy and be warm and comfy. So let's check out what we have in here. All right, so if you're unfamiliar with Wantable, this is what your package will look. Oop, I just hit myself in the face. This is what your package will look like. It says styled for Cindy. Yay me. And we'll see if we can get this bad boy out of here. It's kind of thick. Oh, pretty. All right, so there's my pretty little bundle. Those are some pretty colors, aren't they? Ooh, I feel some soft stuff. And what is this? It's in plastic, I don't know, but I'm intrigued. All right, so let's see what we have. All right, so you have your United States Postal Service label. And then you also have, I believe, I guess just UPS. I want to say there was a United States Postal Service too. Maybe there is somewhere. If not, it's UPS, and that's not a big deal either. So you have 5 days to decide what you want to keep. And in the account note, I just indicated I would love to receive clearance or discount items when available. And then for my order note, I said the Cozy Edit looks right up my alley. I love warm, cozy, and comfortable clothes that will work for lazy days at home and will work for running errands on the weekend. I'm loving mustard yellow, olive, and burgundy tones right now, but also love soft, muted tones like pink. So the stylist note, this is from Valerie. I think this is a different stylist than what I had before. And she says, hi Cindy, yay, it's Cozy-tober. It's my fave time of year, and today I get to style you too. So glad you decided to try this cozy style edit. It's packed with all the coziest fall knits, perfect to get you in the mood to enjoy the crisp outdoors and then cuddle up with a pumpkin spice latte. She says, yum. So I guess she's a fan. To each their own. I added in some comfy stretch denim that will be lovely paired with these toasty picks. For a great ensemble, try pairing the mustard sweater with the cute cuffed jeans. The mustard sweater's collar block detail is super on trend right now. Can't wait to hear your reaction. Get in touch and let me know what you think. All right, so we have a pricing guide here on the other side. We will go over that at the end. Of course, when I try the clothes on, I will put those down there at the bottom for you. And then we have Happy Cozy-tober. Hope you loved your totally toasty themed edit and it inspires you too. Oh, that's cute. So it just gives you a little checklist of fun things to do in the fall. And then this just indicates that you can refer a friend, how Wantable works, try your items on, send back what you love, send back what you don't love, keep what you love, and that they do have other edits. They have a women's edit, and then they have a women's active, and then a men's active. And here it is. I knew there was a United States Postal Service. And here's the bag for the United States Postal Service. So you can return it either of those 2 ways, anything that you do not want. So let's dig in here. So it looks like we have a pretty scarf. So what that is? Yes, it's an infinity scarf. So pretty dotted scarf. Nice. All right, and then we have looks like a long sleeve shirt from Democracy. Looks like we have a pretty detail here around the neckline. And then the sleeves have this pretty little cuff detail there on the end as well. So I like this collar, very pretty. Oh, and that looks pretty together. Look how nice that looks together. Cute. I might style that together with my jeans. All right, let's see what else we got. Ooh, this is very soft. This looks like it is a Wantable, I guess they have an exclusive line or whatever. So, but this is a short sleeve. Very muted, cool tone here. It looks like it has a band here at the bottom and it has this tie twist front detail here. I guess you can't really see that, but there's a twist detail there at the bottom. And it is a V-neck. It is very, very soft. And then we have, oh, that looks comfy and cozy too. Okay, so this looks like it's like a thermal type of material. It is a little bit heavier, which is good. We are looking for cozy. It is striped, and then it kind of has that, I don't know, it's the solid sleeves. And then in the back, it does have this pretty little detail crisscross back there. Cute. All right, here's the Colorblock, the mustard color I said that I was looking for, the Colorblock sweater. So there's the mustard, and then you have a black and white down here at the bottom. And this is by Skies Are Blue. Very pretty. All right, let's see. So far, it's looking good in here. All right, so we have some Jag jeans, and these are very casual. The only thing that I think I'm not gonna like is that they are cuffed and they look like they might be a little bit of a capri. I do have another pair that are kind of like this that have holes in them, so maybe they'll be okay with the cuffed. I don't know, I'm weird about cropped, I'm weird about cuffed. I don't know, I just have to see if I feel it. All right, so then we also have, oh cute, we have, these are women's slipper socks. Can you go wrong with slipper socks? Really? So, awesome. All right, let's get to trying on. Okay, so here we have item number 1 and number 2. So this is the infinity scarf. It is very lightweight, cute polka dot detail there. And then you have this shirt. I do believe that they sized down for me, which is definitely what I need. So here's the scarf, and I'm going to take this off so that you can see the shirt. All right, so here is the top. I do feel like it fits me well. I do have a little front tuck here. The detail here on the sleeve is super cute. I don't feel like anything is too tight. When it's out, it does look better, I think anyway, with it tucked in. But this is really cute. I like the color. I think the color looks good on me. So we will see what the prices look like. And we will go from there. All right, next item. So here we have our next item, and I'll be honest, I wasn't sure I was gonna like this just because I wasn't sure about the tie here, and I wasn't sure about the short sleeves. But if you think about it, the short sleeves would be good with a cardigan. I think this would be pretty with a long necklace. I don't mind the twist knot here. It's not accentuating anything that I don't want to be accentuated. It would also match the scarf that I just had on. I don't know, I think it's kind of cute. But I'm interested to hear what you guys think. What do you think of this one? All right, here is the next shirt. It is very, very comfortable. Very cozy, very soft. It has the striped pattern here and then the solid sleeves. It has the open back, which you can see there, the crisscross in the back, which I like that detail. The hemline is just a little bit of a high-low there with a little slit there. I don't know, this one isn't really, I mean, it's very comfortable and cozy, but I don't really feel like it's all that flattering on my figure. It's just kind of there. I don't know, let me know what you think. Okay, our last two items. This is our mustard collared sweater. Very cute. Again, I think they did do much better with the sizing this time than what they did the last time. These appear to all be 1Xs. I think they did 2Xs for me last time. So I do like the way that the collar block lines up here on the edges. That's kind of cool. I like the collar. I'm not sure if I like the collar block. My daughter just pointed out that it looks like that I might be a bee. So I'm not sure I'm loving that look, but, and these are the jeans. And surprisingly, I do like the jeans, even though they are cuffed. There is a little bit of gaping right here. So I'm not sure. I think they sized down on the jeans as well, but I think maybe the style has some gaping, but everything else looks to fit nicely. I'll pan down a little bit so that you can see the length. Well, I don't know if you can see the length or not with all the blind shading coming through, but there's the length. I think this is good for booties, and I don't mind it with jeans. You know, sometimes I think I mind it, mostly with dress clothes, but with these jeans, I think they look cute. So let me know what you think. Let me know what I should keep and what I should send back. I do have the socks to try on, and I just want to show you those really quick. OMG. Can you see how cute those are? They have little snowflakes, and they have a little tassel on the side. Super cute. I like these a lot. They're very comfy, very cozy. I don't know, these definitely might be a keeper. I might not need your opinion on these. All right, ladies, let me get back to the wrap up. Okay, so I am back with the wrap up. And I just love these little try-ons. I think they're so fun. All right, so let's look at some prices. I know you guys have already seen the prices, but I have not. So let's see if it makes a difference in what I might keep and what I might not keep. So the scarf is $28. That's gonna be a no. I don't wear scarves enough, and it's not a heavy scarf. So for $28, I think I'll pass on that. And then we have the Colorblock sweater. That is a $64. Although I think that's a reasonable price for a big, cozy, comfy sweater. I'm not sure that I loved it enough for the $64. The super awesome socks are $44. This is the other set of socks. So you had one that was blue and then one that was gray. So let me see. So there's the gray set and then there's the blue set. So super cute. I like those a lot. Those might be a keeper. I know they're just slipper socks, but they're cute. And you get both sets and they are $44, which it's a little bit high. I mean, they're slipper socks. You're not going to really wear them anywhere, but I really like them. So we'll see. All right. So then we had this shirt and it is $55. I really like this shirt, but I think that's a little bit high for, I mean, it's really just a t-shirt. I mean, it does have the twist thingy in the center detail, but I don't know. That's a little bit high. And I wasn't in love with it. I mean, I liked it. It was comfy. It was cozy. I thought it would look cute with a cardigan, but all right. So then we have this shirt. It is $58. It was okay, but again, not a huge fan. And then we have the Democracy shirt. Like this collar a lot. It is $64. That is not going to be a keeper either. And then we have the jeans, which I did like, and I did request them, evidently. So on Wantable, they have what's called a stream, and you can request certain items, and if they have them available, they will send them to you. So I did request them, so they're letting me know I did request these, and they are $94. And I've been requesting jeans and asking for jeans, and I know that's a little bit high to pay for jeans, but I have like 2 pair of jeans in my wardrobe that I really like. So I'm really trying to find a good pair of jeans that I just love and will wear for years and years and years, because let me tell you, I keep them forever. So anyway, so I did request those. They are $94, but they are not going to be a keeper. As I was wearing them just for the try on, they were starting to, they were starting to slide down a bit. So I'm not interested in spending $100 on jeans that I have to continually pull up. But on the bright side, I do feel like they did really well in terms of my sizing this time. So everything else the last time seemed so big, but I feel like this box is a much better box in terms of the sizing. So probably the only thing I'm going to keep is probably the slipper socks. I mean, I liked everything, but I didn't really love everything. So with that being said, the total merchandise total was $407. If you keep at least 5 items, you get a discount. I believe it's a 25% discount. And taking that off, you would take off $81.40. That would leave your subtotal at $325. And then you get your styling fee credited. So that leaves you with an order total, if I were to keep all 7 items, of $323.94. I take that back. You keep 5 items, you get 20% off. So I believe the only thing I'm going to keep is the socks, but I do feel like this was a really good edit. So thank you, Valerie. You did a great job. I look forward to seeing what you will do for me the next time. But the next time, I think I am going to wait for that 3-month mark and not be tempted. Just because there are other boxes and stuff out there that I want to try as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think I should keep, what collars look good on me, what collars should I request, what items should I request. Maybe there's something that you received in a box of yours that you think I might like as well. I would love to hear from you. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share with all of your friends if they like this kind of content. And I will see you the next time. I am signing out. I am Cindy Settle. Mwah.